Hi class. Well, welcome to week 4. You guys are on the tail end of this. You're doing really well. Just to recap, for week 3, we talked about skills for success. You talked about time management and your study skills. Um, a lot of you made some great time management plans. I think Giovanni had the most creative one out there. I really liked her planner sheet that she turned in. Um, and I believe it was Kim that actually wrote a nice write-up on how she manages her time. I really like that. She used a writing style and just wrote a little mini paper on what she does with her time. So you guys have done a really great job in week 3 with skills. Now, I want to tell you that I sent out your emails for your midterm grade. So if you have any questions, please give me a call or contact me. If you still have missing assignments, you can still turn them in. There will be 10% for each week that it's late taken off, but some points is better than no points. So if you haven't turned in any work or or fell behind or something like that, please go ahead and get your work in. This is the perfect week. You only have one assignment due this week. This is a perfect week to try to get caught up with your work. With that being said, we're going to move into week 4 and we're going to talk about future goals. We have a great discussion question. I think you guys are really going to like this. Reggie Rivers gives us a breakdown on how to set goals and what really takes place when you set goals. I think you're going to find that very interesting. And then for your assignment, you're going to create a budget. And that budget is going to include the cost of school and how you're going to pay for it. And then after you create your budget, you want to write a summary about what you plan to do if a financial crisis come up. Say something comes up and you can't pay your bills or you can't pay your school bill. What are you going to do? So write that little summary and then make your budget. And that's it. If you have any questions, please contact me. I'm here. Text me, remind me, email me, whatever you need to do. Have a great week. And I look forward to hearing from you guys online. Get in that discussion board and blow it up. All right, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye.